Hi! In front of me is Honor X6, and today I would like to show you how you can change theme of this Honor. You need to begin by opening Themes app. Now you can select Featured at the bottom left corner and tap on Themes at the top. Then you can pick one of those or tap on the search bar and type in wherever you wish to. You can also select categories at the bottom. Click on Themes and pick one of those categories, like Cute. Lastly, you can also tap on Top at the bottom. Tap on Themes section and select More next to one of those sections, like Free. So when I do that, I can pick one of those themes by tapping on the best one. In my case, this one. Now select Download at the bottom. And last but not least, click on Apply. So when I do that, as you can see, in this pop-up I can decide if I want to keep or discard Magazine on Lock. I don't want it, so I will go with discard, and in the matter of seconds, my new theme was successfully applied. If you wish to go back to your default one, access Themes again, and select Me at the bottom left corner. Then tap on one of those themes to apply it, like Orange Pink. Lastly, tap on Apply and wait. If you wish to access your downloaded themes, go into the same section, but this time select My Downloads over here. Then you can access all of them in Themes category. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!